Hey guys, Maggie here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have a armrest off of a 72 Cougar that a customer sent in for free application testing. Today we're going to try and get some of this green here off of the armrest. We're really excited to be able to test this piece. We don't normally get to test pieces like this here, and it's going to be a great opportunity to show what all the VH machines can do. Today we're going to be blasting in this VH700, which has a 120 aluminum oxide in it. All right guys, and we're back. We just got done blasting this armrest here in the VH700 with the 120 aluminum oxide. As you can see, the aluminum oxide 120, it did a great job stripping that paint off this armrest here. You know, we used a 120, that's what we had here in the showroom today. 220 would have also done just as fine, but it did a great job stripping this paint off here. All right guys, so we're wrapping this up here today, but if you want more information about our machines and what all we can help you with here at Vapor Honing, you can visit us at our website, vaporhoningtechnologies.com, or you can give us a call at 828-202-5563. We have a sales room full of people who would be happy to help you. Have a great day.